Hey guys, it's Derek with B&H, and today we're taking a look at the new Canon RF 14 to 35mm f4 L IS USM. A compact wide-angle zoom for Canon's full-frame mirrorless EOS R system, the 14 to 35mm delivers the high-quality optics of the storied family of L lenses in a stabilized, smaller form factor befitting of their latest mirrorless offerings, the R5 and R6. Many photographers are familiar with the so-called holy trinity of lenses, 16 to 35mm, 24 to 70mm, and 70 to 200mm. And among those various ranges lies the choice of a faster, heavier f2.8 option, or trading a stop of light for a more compact, economical f4 lens. With the RF 14 to 35mm lighter, more compact frame, including a flatter front element and the ability to use 77mm screw-in filters, photographers who want a high-quality everyday lens are going to love how versatile this lens is. At only 1.1 pounds and 3.9 inches in length, this is a viable option for everything from travel, landscape, and architectural photography to environmental portraiture and street photography. The size makes you want to bring it everywhere, and the solid L-series construction assures you can bring it anywhere. With the customizable ring, you can set it to half press. It's kind of like a safety mechanism there, half press. And I have it set to adjust my ISO, so literally just a half press and twist. And you'll notice here, if I don't have the half press, nothing. And with a minimum focusing distance of only 7.9 inches across every focal length and a 0.38 times magnification at 35mm, the possibilities for creating really do stretch from right in front of your lens to infinity. The RF 14 to 35's corrected wide-angle field of view helps keep distortion at bay, which keeps post-process lens correction to a minimum. And who doesn't like a better photo to work with straight out of camera? Landscape and architecture photographers will greatly benefit from the improved optics at the wider end of the focal range, and thanks to the impressive built-in image stabilization, taking photos indoors or in waning light produces stunning results, especially for an f4 lens. When I say impressive, we're looking at 5.5 stops of optical image stabilization on a camera body without IS, and when paired with a stabilized model like the R5 we're using today, you're getting up to 7 stops of correction. All of this in addition to multi-point weather sealing and professional quality L-series optics consisting of 3 aspherical lenses, including 1 UD aspherical, and 3 UD lenses, including 1 UD aspherical, along with the addition of SWC and ASC to reduce flare and ghosting. Driving the focusing mechanism is Canon's ultra-quiet Nano USM focusing motor, meaning focus transitions are incredibly smooth and focus breathing greatly suppressed. This takes the RF 14 to 35 from not just a capable lens for still photography, but a worthy workhorse for video applications as well. And in today's crossover creative environment, a lens that can perform on both sides of the photo-video line is more likely to stay on the camera than in the bag. In the past, the f4 lens was attractive to many photographers mainly for the price. We sacrificed fast glass just to save a few bucks, because many of us could part with that extra stop of light easier than that extra couple $100s. Well, with this lens, one thing remains, and that's the attractive price tag. The sacrifice, however, that's a thing of the past. The Canon RF 14 to 35mm f4 L IS USM gives us every reason why it can be a one-stop shop everyday lens for so many photographers. I'm Derek with B&H. I'll catch y'all next time.